multiplying fractions by fractions. So the general rule in multiplying fractions, first you're going to multiply numerators by numerators. Second, we have multiply denominators by denominators, then reduce your product into lowest term or simplify your answer. So for number 1, 9 times 16, you just directly multiply, okay, 4 times 1, that will be equal to 4, and 9 times 6, that will be 54. Then after that, multiplying, reduce to lowest term. So how to reduce lowest term? By dividing with the greatest common factor that can divide 4 and 54, which is in this fraction 4 and 54, you can divide it by the GCF 2. Okay, so 4 divided by 2, that will be equal to 2. Then 54 divided by 2, that will be equal to 27. So 227. Okay, so we can save your work when multiplying fractions. How are we going to do that? So by canceling the fractions. So canceling is a way to simplify fractions before we multiply. Find one numerator and one denominator that are divisible by the same number or have the common factors. And then you must always cancel diagonally and never horizontally. So diagonal. So numerator versus denominator. So let us try this problem for 9 times 16. Okay, so in these two fractions, what number can we divide 4 and 6? What are the common factor that can divide 4 and 6? Okay, so the common factor is, okay, 2. So 2 will be divided by 4 and 6. So 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Then 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So after that, so since 9 and 1 cannot, there are no common factors between. So just remain, 9 and 1 will remain. Or you cannot cancel them. So what are you going to do next is you're going to rewrite the fraction as 2, 9, and 1/3. Okay, so in this case, so you have the new fractions 2, 9, and 1/3 because you have already simplified the fractions. Okay, again, proceed to multiplication of fractions. 2 times 1, that is equal to 2. 9 times 3 is equal to 27. Okay, so whether you cancel before you multiply or simplify the answer after you multiply, you will still get the same answer like this one to 27. So, but if you cancel completely before you multiply, you will not have to simplify your answer, just like this one. So, if you do cancellation first in your fractions, in your factors, you will need not to divide a GCF, or you will need not to simplify the fraction. Okay, let's proceed to number 2. Find the product of 3, 4, 10 to 6. So again, so in order to save time and save your work, you're going to cancel first if they have the same common or they have common factors. So in this case, 3 and 6 have the common factor, which is 3. Then 4 and 2 have a common factor, which is 2. So you're going to cancel 3 and 6 by number 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then 3 divided by 3 is 1. Next, we have to cancel 4 and 2 by number 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. Then rewrite your fractions. So 1 half times 1 half. Okay, so after you write your answer, so proceed to multiplication. After the cancellation, 1 times 1, that is 1, that 2 times 2 is 4. So, and that will be your answer. You need not to simplify them because you use first the cancellation. Next, multiply 27, 28 times 7, 9. So, 9, 7, 9. Okay, so first, you're going to conceal uh, the fraction. What are the common factors between 27 and 9? It is the number 9. Okay, so you're going 9 divided by 9 is 1. Then 27 divided by 9 is 3. Then how about 28 and 27? Are there any common factors between them? Yes. Okay, the common factor is 7. So simply divide 28 and 7 by 7. Okay, 7 divided by 7 is 1. 28 divided by 7 is 4. Then rewrite your uh, fraction, new fraction. So you rather 3/4 then times 1, 1. Okay, so multiply your fractions. 3 times 1 is 3, 4 times 1 is 4. Okay, then you have the final product. Let's proceed to 2/3 times 5, 7. Okay, so first look for a common factor between the numerator and denominator if there are any. So in this case, in this problem, no common factor between the numerator and denominator. You just proceed to multiplication. Okay, multiply numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10. 7 times 3 is 21. So your answer is 10, 21. Okay.